What if I told you that you could speak clear, confident English by mastering just one simple pattern? Well, today, that's exactly what we're going to do. We're breaking down the single most important structure in the entire English language.
Now, I know what you're thinking. That sounds a little too good to be true, right? But the thing is, it is true. This isn't about memorizing 100 complicated grammar rules. Nope. It's about getting a handle on one single core pattern that is literally the key to expressing yourself clearly and with confidence.
So, what is this big secret? It's right here. Subject-Verb-Object, or SVO for short. You know, this is the foundational building block for almost every sentence in English. It's so simple, but it's incredibly powerful for communicating clearly. So let's dive in and break down what each of these pieces actually means. All right, let's get into our building blocks. We're going to look at these three key parts of the SVO pattern. And trust me, once you see how they fit together, everything else just clicks. First up, we've got the subject. The easiest way to think about the subject is as the doer. It's the person or the thing that's actually doing the action. It's kind of like the hero of our sentence, you know? The one making things happen. Okay, next up is the verb. And this one's easy. If the subject is our doer, then the verb is the action. It's the word that tells you what the subject is doing. You can almost think of it as the engine that drives the whole sentence forward. And to complete our trio, we have the object. This is the receiver. It's the person or thing that the action is happening to. So let's put it all together. You've got the doer, the action, and the receiver. And that's it. That's the whole pattern. Okay, so we've got our three building blocks, right? Now for the fun part. Let's see how they snap together to create actual sentences. This is where it all comes to life.
Just look at how perfectly this breaks down. In the first one, you've got the subject, the cat, the verb, chased, and the object, the mouse. See that? Doer, action, receiver. It's a perfect logical flow. And it works for everything. She reads a book. They built a house. It's such a clean, simple way to see how sentences are built.
Let's do a few more. It really is like a little puzzle. Once you get the hang of it, you'll start seeing this subject-verb-object pattern everywhere. Okay, take this one. She loves chocolate. Who's the doer? She, right? What's the action? Loves. And what's receiving that love? Chocolate. Boom. Subject, verb, object. A perfect, super simple example.
All right, how about this one? We watched a movie. Our subject, the doers, is we. The action is watched. And what got watched? A movie. That's our object. See? The SVO pattern holds up perfectly. Every time.
Okay, one last one just for fun. He wrote a letter. I bet you can spot it instantly now, can't you? Subject, he, verb, wrote, object, a letter. This super simple structure is literally everywhere in English, and you're already getting it.
And this is why getting this SVO thing down is so important. It's the foundation for everything. Look, you can start with a simple sentence. She gave the book. Pure SVO. But you can build on it. She gave me the book. See how we just added a little more detail? But that core, that subject-verb-object skeleton is still there holding the whole thing together.
All right, we've taken it apart. We've seen how it works. Now it's your turn. We're putting you in the driver's seat. It's time for you to be the architect and build some sentences of your own.
And it really is this simple. Check it out. Step 1. Choose a subject, a doer. Let's say, the artist. Cool? Step 2. Choose a verb, an action. How about painted? And finally, step 3. Choose an object, a receiver. Let's go with a picture. You put them all together, and what do you get? The artist painted a picture. Just like that. A perfect, crystal clear sentence.
Okay, now it's really your turn. For real this time. Look at these examples. They played soccer. We baked cookies. I read a book. All perfect SVO. So here's your mission. I want you to use this simple pattern, subject, verb, object, and build your own sentence. Go ahead, drop it in the comments below. I seriously can't wait to see what you come up with. And you know, that's really what this is all about. This isn't just some grammar exercise. Mastering a simple structure like SVO, it's not about passing a test. It's about finding your voice.
It's about having the right tool in your toolbox to share your ideas, to tell your stories, and to connect with people. So the only question left is, what will you say first?
Great job today on Just Say It, where every phrase brings you closer to fluency. If you found this lesson helpful, click the bell to never miss an episode and leave a comment sharing your favorite tip. Until next time, keep practicing and just say it.